Hello everyone, this is Umair from Tutorials Hub, and in this video we will be discussing about how to add data packs to Aternos on Minecraft. Now before we dive into the video, let me mention that there is a link in the description of this video using which you can now officially support to our channel, so make sure to donate and show some love. Talking about adding data packs to Aternos on Minecraft, we have a couple of steps in here that are guaranteed to be working. So first thing is download your data pack. It should be a zip file or directory. Then open your server folder and then open a world. Put the data pack in the folder named Datapacks, and then type reload from console as a level 3 operator if the server was running during the installation. And then if the data pack has correct format, it will be enabled on the server. You can verify by typing /datapack space list space enabled from the console, or as a level 3 operator you can find an entry named this directory should be available, so you can simply find this entry there, and that's how you can easily add data packs to Aternos on Minecraft. And it is actually quite simple, right? Make sure to subscribe to the channel and head over to the link in the description of this video to donate as well. So yeah, thank you so much for watching guys, and see you around in the next video.